later. I'll show you the other one.
Come, come. You are welcome.
Battery. We are doing an upgrade. Why did they seal it like this? I see the
I'll take this paper.
Manuela, this is not time for play.
I'll come and play.
Leave there.
I want to come and see them.
Kó wà lẹ̀ pátá. Ó massive o. Manuela, calm down. It's not for toy. Leave those things.
I'll take measurement.
Okay.
I'm like something flat.
Okay.
So we have my doctors.
Leave this.
Live there.
Say, if Manuela, bring the phone. Kó wà lórí phone mi. Give me. Manuela is not sick. Let it be at least on top here first. The second one. Indicator. The thing there is about to connect it. Positive, negative. Inverter ni. Mama.
No, kì í gbọ́ràn.
So beautiful people, this is our upgrade. So as you can see, this is our tubular battery. Our tubular battery.
My name is Abel Baby Lighter. I came here yesterday.
These are our tubular battery, and this is our lithium battery. So this is our upgrade. Cotonou blue. Okay. Oh, all right. Emanuela, calm down.
Happy birthday to you. You.
Àwọn battery yẹn kò ní di fan àbí?
Bon, bẹ́ẹ̀ pé fáǹsì yẹn ẹ̀yin pé eléyìí fáǹsì ò fẹ́ mọ́ so it makes sense
Okay.
láti máa kúlẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tó máa ṣe iṣẹ́ tó wà
Flexible.
so kò ní iṣẹ́ tó lágbára ní period yẹn.
Okay.
ẹ̀yin pé fáǹsì yẹn
That's why we just dedicate fan
yẹn. Fan náà ti láti fẹ́ lò for another purpose. Nígbà tí ẹ tún lè gbé ẹ tún lè lò for main time.
Dá padà bí alẹ́ a lè lò during the day. A máa just dá padà. So that eléyìí kò ní máa activate fan, blow fan gbogbo. Alright, beautiful people, this is our upgrade on our battery. So this is our lithium battery. This is a 8,000 watts.
8 kilowatt.
Okay, 8 kilowatt, yes.
8,000 watts.
So this is 8 kilowatt battery. So we are replacing it with our tubular battery. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, all our appliances are intact. They are working. Okay. Bye bye.